Bawat hiyaw na maririnig, paa at kamay ay nanginginig. Paggalaw ng katawan sa himig, ito ang aking iniibig. Ako si West, at ito ang aking nagsisalakbong damdamin.
I've been grinding all day and all night. Hall of Fame on my mind. Trying to be the greatest of all time and say it's all God. Yeah. I've been grinding all day and all night. Hall of Fame on my mind. Trying to be the greatest of all time and say it's all God. That's all. I'm not stopping till my mama calling, bruh, telling me she proud of us. Homie saying, yo, your Twitter follower count is up. At your show, they got their hands up like you say you got a gun. And God is how you got it done. This the I've been grinding all day and all night. Hall of Fame on my mind. Trying to be the greatest of all time. And say it's all God. That's all. I've been grinding all. Grinding all. That's all.
Monde, napanood mo ba yung performance ng Sylviatre kanina? Kasi alam mo yun, simula umpisa hanggang dulo, nakatulala na lang ako. Alam mo yun, very, very unforgettable kasi yung performance talaga nila kanina. Yung sharpness ng movements, yung isolations, yung musicality, overall, alam mo yun, champions! Ang gagaling eh.
Angas. Kunwari may naintindihan na ako sa sinabi mo. Basta sayaw. Pero actually, Wes, you seem like enjoying na.
Well, nakakatawa naman kasi na makapanood tayo ng mga dancers na nagpe-perform sa mga stage, diba? Kaso, naisip ko na sana ako rin, sana magaling din ako sa mayaw, sana may sharpness ng movements. Para balang araw makapag-perform din ako sa entablado.
Alam mo, Wes, magaling ka naman sumayaw eh. Actually, laging...
Wait lang, ano yun?
You let me know, but I planted a seed, just let me grow. I'm on my knees while I'm cause I don't wanna lose. I got my arms all spread, I hope that my heart gets fed. Matter of fact, girl, I'm big.
Hello, Bong. Napakaangas lang po ng pagsayaw niya talaga and I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Aspiring dancer din kasi ako and gusto ko lang sana magtanong po anong mga tips na mabibigay niyo sa akin para mag-improve din ako. Kagaya.
Wait lang. Feel ko ito, makakatulong to sa'yo. Ito, wait. Check na to. Ayan o. O, diba? Feel ko naman makakatulong yan sa'yo as a dancer.
Sige po, I will try that. Thank you po. Thank you again po. Congrats po.
So, hi everyone! So today, my name is Donald. So for today, mag-start na tayo ng class, ating class for today. So sino nga pala yung mga first timers dito? Ayan, so ang dami pa ng mga first-timers, no? So, don't worry guys, kasi ang main objective naman natin dito is makabisado ninyo yung pyesa and also ma-absorb ninyo. Yan, so, magsaya lang tayo dito guys, kasi for sure magiging maganda yung magiging outcome nito later on. Okay, so tara, let's have some fun!
Para palaban ang atake at malakang na lang ang kailangan. Tapos na kagad ang usapan. Man, I wanna see her booty go left cheek, right cheek. I wanna see her booty go left.
Hey, hey, hey.
Morena!
Hinahanap ko, hinahanap ko. Paborito ko nga po na nayalapin mo. Are you down? Let's go. Put it on my throat. We gon' make a movie, there's some things I wanna show. Ang daming sumubok sa akin, pero ikaw ang napiling matikman. Sa lakas ng musika tumugtog-tog, ikaw lang gustong masayawan. Ayaw kitang katabi, gusto kitang ibabaw. Sa higpit ng kawit, di mo na ako mabitaw. Lakas ng lupit, kaya di mo maiwasan. Gusto ko marinig sa bibig mo aking pangalan. Karen Jane, it is you. Dami ng iba pero hindi ikaw sila. Then I tell them, yeah, baby, grabe. Sa akin ka magdadalawang isip ka pa ba?
Pag nagpalagabog na si ate, sobrang swabe, ang salbahe. Tignan mo siya.
Nice, great job!
Grabe no, nakakapagod siya.
Ay, pressure pa yung notes, coach.
Oo nga eh. Ay, gusto mo lang din ba?
Oo, kaya kabado malala talaga mag-sayo-sayo.
Same! Oo nga, pala si Mariel.
Oh, si Wesley.
Ako si Pixie.
Kasali ka. Sige.
Ay! Gusto mo patapos?
Dito, nagsimula ang lahat. Ang paghihirap. Ngunit di ako sumuko.
Baby bet, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on him, couple plaques, ayy, that's a fact, ayy, throw it back, ayy, throw it back, ayy, and this one is for the champion. Ain't lost since I began, yo. Funny how you said it was a yeah, yo. Then I went did it again, yo. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low. the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul. Just tell them that the break is over. They waiting for run from nothing, dog. Get your soul. Just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul. Just tell them that the break is over.
Bawat takbang, bawat pagtalon, bawat pag-ikot. Lahat ng ito ay dinadala ako rito. Ang entablado ay hindi lamang isang tanghalan para sa akin. Ito ang aking tahanan ng mga pangarap at pinaghirapan. At ngayon, ito ako, sumasayaw ng bukal sa aking puso.